Hello, language learners. Welcome back to Idioms Insight. Want to take your English to the next level and sound like a native speaker? Today, we're sharing 10 brand new powerful phrases that are super common and will make your conversations flow naturally. Grab a pen and let's dive in. Phrase 1. Kick things off. Host. First up, kick things off. This means to start something with energy. For example, at a party you might say, "Let's kick things off with some music." It's a lively way to begin. Example, situation, starting an event. Sentence, "All right, let's kick things off with the opening speech." Tip, use this to launch any activity with enthusiasm. Phrase 2, see eye to eye. Next, see eye to eye. This means to agree completely with someone. For instance, we don't always see eye to eye, but we respect each other's views. It's great for discussing relationships or teamwork. Example, situation, working with a colleague. Sentence, we see eye to eye on the project's goals, so it's going smoothly. Tip, perfect for talking about agreement or harmony. Phrase 3, face the music. This means to accept the consequences of your actions. For example, I messed up the report, so now I have to face the music. It's about taking responsibility. Example, situation, admitting a mistake. Sentence, I forgot the deadline, so I'll have to face the music with my boss. Tip, use this when owning up to something tough. Phrase 4, get straight to the point. Number 4, get straight to the point. This means to skip the fluff and focus on what matters. For example, I'm busy, so please get straight to the point. It's polite but firm. Example, situation, a rushed conversation. Sentence, we're short on time, so let's get straight to the point. Tip, ideal for keeping things concise. Phrase 5, your call. Halfway there. Phrase 5 is your call. This means it's someone else's decision. For example, I'm fine with either restaurant, it's your call. It's a casual way to let someone decide. Example, situation, planning dinner with friends. Sentence, pizza or sushi, it's your call. Tip, use this to give others the lead in a friendly way. Phrase 6, let the cat out of the bag. This means to reveal a secret, often by accident. For example, I let the cat out of the bag about the surprise party. It's fun and conversational. Example, situation, gossiping with a friend. Sentence, oops, I let the cat out of the bag about her birthday gift. Tip, great for playful or casual chats. Phrase 7, keep me posted. Number 7, keep me posted. This means to update someone on progress. For instance, I'm interested in the event. Keep me posted on the details. It's super useful for staying informed. Example, situation, waiting for news. Sentence, let me know how the meeting goes. Keep me posted. Tip, perfect for work or personal follow-ups. Phrase 8, go with the flow. This means to adapt to a situation as it unfolds. For example, we don't have a set plan, so let's just go with the flow. It's all about being flexible. Example, situation, a spontaneous outing. Sentence, the schedule changed, so we'll just go with the flow today. Tip, use this for relaxed, easygoing moments. Phrase 9, spot on. Number 9, spot on. This means something is exactly right. For example, your guess about the outcome was spot on. It's a great way to praise accuracy. Example, situation, complimenting a friend. Sentence, your analysis of the movie's plot was spot on. Tip, use this to show admiration for precision. Phrase 10, not up to par. Finally, not up to par. This means something isn't as good as expected. For example, I'm not feeling up to par today, so I'll take it easy. It's a polite way to express disappointment or feeling off. Example situation, talking about performance. Sentence, the team's effort was not up to par this week. Tip, use this for gentle criticism or describing subpar situations. And that's it. 10 powerful phrases to make your English sound natural and confident. Practice one phrase a day to level up your fluency. Which one will you try first? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more language tips. See you next time.